there guys, As-salamu ʿalaykum. We are TANJIN and SHUVO from the Married BFF YouTube channel. Welcome to another vlog. Today we are going on a little day trip from Goshen stop to Rampura to FED via water taxi, which is called trawler in the local language. We brought tickets for 25 dhaka each, which is cost us 100 for 2 stops. We got on water taxi and started our journey to see beautiful hatirjheel. Enjoy the view with us.
I'm just not good at showing sympathy. Give me a break.
See, that building is Police Plaza Shopping Mall. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you that we already came Goshen to Rampura, now going from Rampura to FED.
Wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't mature. Not angry anymore.
Nobody would actually believe this is in Dhaka. I did not know until I came in Goshen for some personal work and got to know about this water taxi service. So thought of sharing my experience with you guys.
I guess you were just so misunderstood. You know I'm never truly gone for good. If I could look inside your brain.
This view, oh my god. To me this view literally looks like some places of science. Don't mind me saying this cause I haven't been there at all.
Angry anymore, just a little upset now. 'Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't mature. Not angry anymore, just a
And hey there again. Thank you for watching my videos. Help me learn and grow more. Love and bless you all. We'll see you in another vlog. Until then, stay blessed and keep us in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.